Caleb! Emmett, where are you? Are you hiding inside of the Bob bed? You found a new way to hide inside of it. You want to hide some more? Okay, bye-bye. Where are the boys? Where are the boys? Peek, peek-a-boo. Peek, peek-a-boo. There they are! Where's Caleb? Hi, Caleb. Should we open the Bob bed, Emmett, so Mommy can see Caleb? Open up.